Welcome to our ChillWell 2.0 review. This is the successor to the original ChillWell AC that was released last summer in 2022. When the temperature rises, it can be challenging to stay comfortable and cool. Portable air conditioning units can provide relief, but many of them are bulky and expensive. Fortunately, ChillWell 2.0 offers an affordable and convenient solution to keep you comfortable no matter where you are. And even more fortunate for you, I found you a 55% discount link, and I'll leave that in the description and pinned comment below. This video will explore the features and benefits of the new and improved ChillWell 2.0, including how it works, how much it cools the air, and what kind of space it can cool. Let's take a closer look. ChillWell 2.0 Portable AC is a great choice for anyone looking for an efficient and affordable way to cool down their space. The unit is incredibly easy to use, as it sets up in minutes and starts cooling on the spot. As soon as you plug it in, ChillWell 2.0 begins to chill the air in whatever room or space you are in up to 300 square feet. The unit itself is incredibly small and lightweight and requires no permanent installation or extra equipment. It will also add moisture to the air, making for a more comfortable living space if you turn on that setting. You can control the temperature precisely and easily adjust it to the room temperature you desire. When it comes to energy efficiency, ChillWell 2.0 is a great choice. It uses 30% less energy than other cooling units the same power. It's even better than its original version, which was already leaps and bounds ahead of the competition. This means that your electricity bills won't skyrocket during hotter months. ChillWell 2.0 is also engineered to be reliable and dependable, with no maintenance required other than occasionally changing out the filter every 1 to 3 months. But the filter could be extended to last 6 months to a year. But more on that later. It comes with a 60-day limited warranty from the manufacturer that you can use in case something goes wrong. And once it's up and running, ChillWell 2.0 will make your life much more comfortable without breaking your wallet. Thanks to its advanced hydro-chill technology and innovative design features, ChillWell 2.0 is energy efficient and cost-effective. It is designed to run with a minimal amount of energy while still delivering powerful cooling results, all while maintaining a comfy and quiet atmosphere. It also comes with a long-term warranty, and it's just a great way to start making your energy greener. How does ChillWell 2.0 work? ChillWell 2.0 uses dual cooling jets combined with hydro-chill technology to turn hot air into cool, moist air. The device has a water tank that holds 550 milliliters of water, which is then used to create the cooling effect. The air is cooled through evaporative cooling, which occurs when water absorbs heat from the surrounding air, causing the water to evaporate and the air to cool. The degree of cooling depends on 3 factors: the outside air temperature, the air humidity, and the device settings you choose. ChillWell 2.0 helps reduce the temperature of the air through evaporative cooling. The higher the temperature and the lower the humidity, the more actively evaporation occurs, and, therefore, the stronger the cooling effect. By adjusting the settings, you can choose the cooling comfort level that is right for you. How much does ChillWell 2.0 cool a room? The change in temperature depends on external conditions and the device's power. In high humidity regions, the difference will be far greater than in dry and hot regions where ChillWell shines most. ChillWell 2.0 is designed for smaller, personal spaces. It will help cool you down in your bedroom, living room, office, kitchen, car, and more. What are the benefits of ChillWell 2.0? ChillWell 2.0 has several benefits that make it a great choice for anyone who needs to stay cool and comfortable. ChillWell 2.0 is a portable AC unit that is easy to move around. You can take it with you wherever you go, whether you are at home, at work, or on vacation. ChillWell 2.0 is an affordable option for those who need a personal cooling solution. It is much cheaper than traditional air conditioning units, and it does not require any installation or maintenance costs. ChillWell 2.0 is an energy-efficient device that uses very little electricity. It is much more energy efficient, which can save you money on your energy bills. ChillWell 2.0 is practically silent. It is no louder than your computer's cooling fan. This makes it an excellent choice for use in quiet environments, such as bedrooms and offices. ChillWell 2.0 also comes with an LED nightlight that can be turned on and off. It features 8 different colors, including blue, red, white, teal, purple, yellow, green, and a color cycle mode. ChillWell 2.0 is very easy to use. Simply fill the water tank, plug it in, and turn it on. It has a touch-screen control panel that allows you to adjust the settings to your preferred cooling comfort level, and it's wireless or can have a wired option if you want to leave it plugged in for continuous all-day use. ChillWell 2.0 has the following specifications. Dimensions: 6.69 inches long, 5.71 inches wide, and 6.30 inches in height. The weight is 1 pound 11 ounces, and that is with an empty tank. Fan speed: ChillWell 2.0 has 3 fan speed settings: low, medium, and high. You can adjust the fan speed according to your preference. The water tank can hold up to 550 milliliters of water, which is enough for several hours of use. ChillWell 2.0 uses an included USB cable to connect to a power source. You can use a power bank, a computer, or a USB wall adapter to power the device. ChillWell 2.0 has an LED nightlight with 8 different color options. You can turn the nightlight on and off, or you can choose the color you prefer. The material ChillWell 2.0 is made of high-quality, durable plastics and metals that are built to last. The cooling cartridge is made of a sponge material that is designed to absorb water and provides effective cooling. It unfortunately has no indicator system that notifies you when to switch them out. But when you know, you'll know. Overall, ChillWell 2.0 is a high-quality and innovative personal AC unit that provides an affordable and convenient solution for staying cool and comfortable during hot weather. Its unique features, including hydro-chill technology, dual cooling jets, and LED night light, make it an excellent choice for personal use in small spaces. Its compact size, low weight, and portability make it easy to use at home, at work, or on the go. How to use ChillWell 2.0, you might ask? Using ChillWell 2.0 is pretty straightforward. Here is how to use it. First, fill the water tank by opening the water tank cover and filling it with clean water. The tank has a capacity of 550 milliliters. Be careful not to overfill it. Next, plug it and simply connect the USB cable to the device and the power source. You can use a power bank, a computer, or a USB wall adapter to power the device. Then turn it on by pressing the power button to turn the device on. You can adjust the fan speed and the cooling level using the touchscreen control panel. Lastly, start to enjoy the cool air. Once the device is on, it will start blowing cool air. You can then direct the airflow by adjusting the direction of the vents. How long will ChillWell 2.0 last? When it comes to battery life, it blows the original out of the water with a larger tank, and that allows ChillWell 2.0 to last up to 10 hours on a single fill. Runtime will vary depending on the speed setting, room temperature, and humidity level. When the water tank is empty, the device will automatically shut off. How often should you replace the cooling cartridge? It is recommended to replace the cooling cartridge every 1 to 3 months, depending on usage. The cooling cartridge is made of a sponge material that absorbs water and helps to create the cooling effect. Over time, the sponge may become clogged with mineral deposits or dirt, which can reduce its effectiveness. To replace the cooling cartridge, simply open the front cover of the device and replace the old cartridge with a new one. Or you can be like me in my last ChillWell and just clean your filter yourself, and you can prolong it for 6 months to a year. It takes a little while but will save you even more money. If you want to see a video of how to do that, leave a comment below. Where to buy ChillWell Portable AC 2.0? You can only find ChillWell on their official website. If you are interested, I will leave a link to their website in the description and pinned comment below. ChillWell is the only product of its kind on the market that utilizes advanced cooling technology to cool your home and save you money. It's designed for both residential and commercial applications, so it can help you reduce energy costs no matter where you are. With ChillWell, you'll never have to worry about temperature control again. Thanks to its cutting-edge technology, ChillWell is able to dramatically reduce energy costs while also improving air quality in your home. Plus, it's easy to install and maintain. With ChillWell, you can be sure that your cooling needs are taken care of without having to break the bank. ChillWell has been rigorously tested for safety and reliability, so you can trust that it will provide the highest quality cooling solution for your home or business. It's backed by a comprehensive warranty, so you can be sure of its durability and performance. With ChillWell, you're guaranteed to get the best value for your money when it comes to cooling solutions. Installing ChillWell is easy, so all you have to do is plug it in, fill it up, and you'll be ready to go. How to clean ChillWell 2.0? To keep your ChillWell running smoothly, it is essential to clean it regularly. Here is how to clean it. 1. Turn the device off and unplug it. 2. Remove the front cover and take out the cooling cartridge. 3. Rinse the cooling cartridge under running water to remove any dirt or debris. 4. Use a soft brush or a cloth to clean the inside of the device, including the vents in the water tank. 5. Wipe the exterior of the device with a damp cloth. 6. Let all parts dry completely before reassembling the device. 7. If the misters are not working like they did before, try to use a damp Q-tip and gently go over the mister ports in the front. I do this at least once a month. This is only an issue if you use unfiltered tap water. But well, I'm just lazy. Where to use ChillWell 2.0? ChillWell 2.0 is designed for personal use and is best suited for small spaces. Here are some examples of where you can use it. Bedrooms. Use ChillWell 2.0 to cool down your bedroom during hot summer nights. Its low noise level makes it an excellent choice for use while sleeping. Offices. If you work from home or have a small office, ChillWell 2.0 can help keep you cool and comfortable while you work. Living rooms. If you want to relax in your living room on a hot day, ChillWell 2.0 can help create a comfortable and cool environment. Kitchens. Cooking in a hot kitchen can be uncomfortable. Use ChillWell 2.0 to keep the air cool and refreshing while you cook. Outdoor spaces. If you want to spend time outside during hot weather, ChillWell 2.0 can be a great addition to your outdoor space. It can help keep you cool and comfortable while you enjoy the sunshine. But in this case, it needs to be in close proximity. Can you use ChillWell 2.0 in your car? Absolutely, it is perfect for your car, truck, or mobile home or RV. It is a great way to save money on fuel while also reducing your carbon footprint. Plus, when you buy the new ChillWell device, you get a 60-day warranty, so you can have peace of mind knowing that your investment is secure. If you have any concerns or questions, I'm always happy to help out. Just ask in the comments section below. Let us know how we can help. In the end, we feel ChillWell 2.0 is an excellent option for anyone who needs a portable and affordable solution to keep cool during hot weather. It's also an all-around upgrade from the original ChillWell 1.0. Its unique hydro-chill technology and dual cooling jets mounted in the front help turn hot air into cool, moist air, providing a refreshing and comfortable environment. The device is easy to use, energy efficient, and virtually silent, making it a great choice for personal use in small spaces, such as bedrooms, living rooms, offices, and kitchens. The LED nightlight feature adds an additional level of convenience, providing a source of illumination and ambience. Also, it doubles as a great nightlight for those scared of the dark and will last all night long. Its compact size and low weight make it easy to move around, making it an ideal solution for those who travel frequently or work from different locations. However, it is important to note that ChillWell 2.0 is not intended to replace a traditional air conditioning unit. But if you only need to cool a small space or you are really only in one room at a time, then this can come with you and will for sure save on electricity compared to a traditional AC unit. It is designed for personal use and is best suited for smaller spaces. Its cooling effect depends on external conditions such as temperature and humidity level, so it may not be as effective in regions with high humidity. It is also essential to clean and maintain the device regularly to ensure its longevity and effectiveness. ChillWell 2.0 is an innovative and convenient solution for personal cooling needs. Its affordable price point, energy efficiency, portability, and low noise level make it an excellent choice for anyone who wants to stay cool and comfortable during hot weather. With its hydro-chill technology and dual cooling jets, ChillWell 2.0 provides a refreshing and enjoyable experience, making it a valuable addition to any personal space. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate if you liked, commented, and subscribe. Since we are a small channel, it really helps us out. If you are interested in getting a ChillWell 2.0, the link will be down below. Have a great day and I'll see you guys next time.